Yeah guys, the videos you're watching right now are Stickman animations, a high RPM finance-style animation niche that is going insanely viral. Seriously, these videos are performing way beyond what most people expect. And here's the crazy part. The videos you're seeing on your screen right now are created using completely free tools. Yes, both images and videos. So in today's video, we're not just going to talk about it, we're actually going to create it step by step, and trust me, this video is going to be extremely engaging. First of all, take a look at this channel. This channel is earning around 8.9 USD RPM from a US audience. And if we talk about subscribers, it has approximately 12.9 million subscribers, with only 827 videos. The channel name is Rico Animation. If we analyze the content, it's simple Stickman-style animation videos, and it uploads roughly once per week, yet still generates massive views. Now let me show you another channel. This one is earning around 3.6 USD RPM, with approximately 342K subscribers and around 117 videos. This channel uploads both shorts and long-form content, which significantly increases its overall earnings. So yes, this niche you're seeing right now is trending hard in 2026, and that's exactly why I keep telling you. This niche is 100% monetizable. There is no risk of demonetization, because the characters you're using are completely original, created by you using AI, and for voiceover, you can simply add your own, making it fully eligible for monetization. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need to open ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, go to the search section, then click on More, and from there select New Project. As soon as you do that, your ChatGPT workspace will open. Now here, simply search for Stickman visuals, open it, and then click on Start Chat. Once the chat opens, you just need to type a simple command. Please give me... Whenever you use this command, it will generate complete Stickman prompts for you, including scene, camera, characters, action, and background. Each prompt will follow a structured format, and you'll get around 6 to 7 high-quality prompts instantly. Now keep in mind, voiceover is something we'll add manually later, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So that's done. Next, we're going to use a powerful AI tool. And yes, it's 100% free. But before we move forward, make sure to like and subscribe, because this kind of content takes serious effort. Now, the tool we're going to use is Microsoft Bing, an all-in-one AI tool. With this, you can generate both images and videos. All you need to do is sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside, you'll see a simple and clean interface. At the bottom, you'll find different styles like anime and cartoon. For the model, you'll get options like Image Creator, ChatGPT 4, and DALL-E 3 first. Select the image generation model. Set your aspect ratio to vertical, 2.3. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy your first prompt, and paste it here. Click on Generate, and your image creation will start. Within about 1 to 2 minutes, your image will be ready. Now, if you don't like the result, and maybe the character or background isn't consistent, don't worry, I've got another free tool for you. Open a new browser tab and search for Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, set your model to image generation and choose a 16.9 or desired ratio. Now click on the plus icon and upload a reference image. This step is very important. If you don't use a reference image, your character will change in every scene. After uploading the reference, go back to ChatGPT, copy your prompt, and paste it here. Click Generate. Now repeat this process for all prompts. One by one, your images will be generated with consistent characters. Once all images are ready, download them. Now we move to the next step, video generation. And after that, we'll create professional voiceovers for your videos. Let's move forward. So guys, next what we need to do is generate video prompts along with voiceover lines. For that, simply go back to ChatGPT. Now copy all the prompts that you generated earlier. After copying them, open a new chat in ChatGPT, click on Show Text, and then type a simple command. Please give me video prompts with voiceover lines added. Now click on Generate. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will create complete video prompts for you, including voiceover lines. All your prompts will be ready in front of you. Now what you need to do is go to Bing. Once you're inside Bing, upload your image, Select the ratio. Make sure you choose 9:16, and then simply click on Generate. As you can see, the first video generation has already started. Within a minute or two, your result will be ready. After that, we'll preview the result and see how it looks. And guys, as always, we bring you free AI tools. And this time as well, we've brought another powerful free tool for you, so please, your support really matters. I've noticed that on previous videos, the response hasn't been great, but we're Legatar bringing value for you. Now, as you can see, the video processing has started. In about 1 to 2 minutes, your video will be generated. And here it is. Your first video is ready. It looks very professional, and the best part is, it even includes voiceover with the characters. But if you don't like the voiceover, no problem. Simply go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a separate voiceover script. Then you can use tools like 11 Labs or any other text-to-speech AI tool to create your own voiceover. Now let's move forward. Go back, click on Create, and then select Video. Upload your next image. Select the correct ratio again. Then go back to ChatGPT. Copy the next prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. As you can see, the second video generation has also started. This will also be ready in just a few moments. Then we'll preview it as well. One thing I want to mention, this model generates videos using Sora-like technology, but honestly, it may not always produce the most professional results. However, if you don't have access to other tools, this is still a great free option. You can generate around 8 to 10 videos daily for free. And for images, you can generate unlimited results. Now, as you can see, the next video is ready. It looks very professional and super clean, although sometimes it generates in 16.9 instead of 9:16, but no problem. You can simply regenerate it. Now again, follow the same process. Upload image, go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it, and generate. And just like that, your next video will start generating. Within moments, it will be ready, and then you can preview it. As you can see, this video also looks very professional. Our Stickman character is preparing breakfast. The motion is smooth. The visuals are clean, and everything looks exactly as we wanted. Now simply download it. Again, repeat the same process for all remaining prompts. Upload image, copy prompt, paste, and generate one by one. All your videos will be ready. So guys, as you can see, this entire process is very simple. And these Stickman animation channels are getting highly monetized. People are creating multiple channels in this niche and scaling fast. So this is the best time for you to start your own channel and grow your income. Now, once all your videos are ready, open CapCut. Create a new project. Import all your videos. Then place them one by one on the timeline. After that, adjust the clips properly. If you want to remove any logo, simply scale the video slightly, then add transitions, music, and final touches. Once your video looks professional, export it in 4K quality. So guys, that's the complete process. Now it's your turn. Create your own Stickman animation channel, upload daily, stay consistent, at least one video every day, and you'll start seeing real growth. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.